Whoa. Whoa, here we go.
Imagine a robot cleaning your pool with an AI intelligent enhanced planning system that cleans every corner of your pool in the most efficient way. That's right, this is a Z1 Pro by Dreame. It's one of the most advanced cleaning pool robots in the market. All you have to do is charge it up, select the cleaning mode, and toss it to the water. It will automatically start working. Dreame is using their own pool sense system, which is a combination of ultrasound, 3D structured light, and time of flight sensors to detect any kind of obstacles to avoid and to know the pool's boundary. But that's enough of me talking. Let's unbox this beast.
So here we go. Let's do a quick unboxing of the Dreame Z1 Pro. Let's see what's in the box. I'm actually excited for this. Now that everything is AI, look at that, the instructions right here. Seems very effortless. What is this? Robotic pool cleaner, the instructions. Hey, what's up, man? Okay, so this is the remote control. I think it's like through a light or laser. What is this? It's like a hook. So we got the charger right here. Looks like a regular charger. This is a USB Type-C. Yeah, look at this. This literally looks like a tank. Wow, this looks really nice. There's a bunch of sensors. There's a pull sense, so I feel like there's a sensor right over here. It seems like there's another one right over here. There's another one in the back. There's a handle here. And look at this cleaning wheels. I've never seen anything like this before. This is my first time using one of these devices, so I'm excited. There's a lot of technology packed into this Dreame Z1 Pro. Take control with intuitive navigation, easily directing the cleaner to specific spots with the touch of a button, so you can control it even if it's underwater. So they call it LiFi control. That's what it's called. I've never seen anything like that because usually everything underwater cannot receive any sort of signal. We're gonna charge it and then start using the Dreame Z1 Pro. Let's go.
So after charging the Z1, you can start using it right away.
I was wondering what is this for, but that is just so you can clean it and make sure the contacts are clean. Magnet, and boom, and now it is going to be fully charged.
The select button has 4 options, and once you select the cleaning mode that you want, you can let it do the work. It starts by measuring the pool and learning the obstacles and boundaries, and it'll start cleaning right away. The battery lasts over 4 hours, and it takes around 4 hours to charge. Now, this is my first time using one of these robo cleaners, and I was very impressed to see how easy it is to set it up and start working right away. You can also download the Dreame Home app and get access to more options.
Alright, so I got everything set up. The app is connected to the machine, and then if we go over here, we have different cleaning settings. So now I know what this means. Basically, we have the standard cleaning, which is going to clean everything, and then we have floor only, walls only, and then water line only. So in this case, I want to clean everything, but it's nice to know that we have different options too.
You can also check battery life, work log, or customize the cleaning mode to your own preference. Now, you don't need the app for the cleaner to work, but it is very helpful to have it handy. Now, another way to control the Z1 Pro is with the remote control.
Alright, so when the light is blinking purple, that means I have full control of the vacuum. And check this out, I can pretty much tell them what to do. Turn that way. Has a little bit of a delay, but I wanted to clean this part right here, so clean that part. There you go. There you go. Let me see if it actually cleaned it. Yep, it cleaned it up. That is so awesome.
This is actually very cool. It's like using an RC car underwater. I was having fun with it, going off-road on the steps, and everything worked fine. Another cool feature is how it climbs the wall to exit the water.
Here he comes. Come on. Holy mackerel. So it starts sending me a message. Hey, I'm here. This is a tough one. Because this thing is heavy. Holy sh! It is heavy. It's filled with water. It's dropping all the water right now. Oh, at least it drops the water really quick. Now let's open it up to see all the work that it did. Oh, look at that. We have some. Oh my God! Look at that. It's not just leaves. It's like dirt inside. Look at all that dirt. I mean, you don't even see it, but it is there under the pool. So yeah, we're ready to toss this and charge it up again and get ready for another round, shall we?
The Z1 Pro does a pretty good job cleaning the pool. I mean, it goes through everything, floor, walls, it picks up leaves, dirt, small rocks. The only thing that doesn't cover is the surface, but that is something we can take care of very easily. It sells for $1,000. I know it's a little pricey, but if you have a swimming pool, you know how much time this machine will save you. If you're interested, I will leave a link in the description of the video. Go check it out right now.